Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I thought I would show you a couple Christmas cards that I have started, and I thought I would show you what I have pulled from my Christmas stash to use this year to make cards and different crafts. So the first cards that I've made is from this photo play. It's a wonderful Christmas card kit. I will link it down below because I got this on Amazon. And so I have followed their directions. The directions are on the back. And I have made, I think, 4 of their cards. Now, I'm not big into following directions. I like to make the cards my own. So I think I'm just going to go willy-nilly from now on. But I'll show you the ones that I made that go with this kit. And if I remember, I'll put that kit on. So I added Nuvo drops and some snow to my cards. But that is the first one that I've made. They're all blank inside. And then I made this one. And then this one. And all like the Nuvo drops or the embellishments, the little bling, I've added on my own. And then there is this one. So those are super cute. However, it takes me a long time to follow the directions and get the card just right. So yeah, so I'm going to be winging it from now on and just making the cards like I do. I will use some of that card collection, but first, so I have the photo play, and then in here, I'm showing you now my little, I have some, I think I must have got these last year, some words, paper house. Then I just recently got these 2 collections from Park Lane at Joann's. I got these stickers at Joann's. And then these stickers. And of course I have some little jimmies. And then in here, I keep, there is several collections of paper. And like Cabin Fever. This one is more all winter. It's not just based on Christmas, it's more like winter. So it has collections of winter, except for this piece right here. I need to put that in the Christmas one. Actually, there's a couple Christmas ones that I got when they had a big sale. There we go. And now the rest of these are just winter kits. I do have I Love Winter, and I'm going to stick it in here with this kit, or with these kits that are all kind of winter based. And then here is some more winter ones. Yeah, these are all winter. And there are some winter stickers. I thought I dropped something. So I have 2 winters, and then let me pull the one that has, oh, no, that's, oh, I have this collection from, it is the Advent collection from Illustrated Faith. So I have pretty much that whole collection to work with. I'll show you the paper pad so you can get an idea of what this kit is like. So I'm excited to do something with the pink and the pastel Christmas. So I have that in. And then this one is just all miscellaneous Christmas kits that I just have partial kits for. Warm and Cozy, Gingerbread Christmas, Christmas delivery. It's just odds and ends. My Mind's Eye, Comfort and Joy. And then I will put all of these papers that I got. These are mostly cut-aparts that I got on sale from Paper House Productions. Put those in there. So those are my kits and some of my 12x12 papers that I'm working with. I pulled some of my 6x6 and 8x8. I have this Martha Stewart, Letters to Santa, just some gold cardstock. Miss Sparkle & Co. I think this is from the Target Dollar Spot. My Mind's Eye, Comfort and Joy, and I have that kit in there. Martha Stewart, paper pad, that is Winter. This one is one I just got, Park Lane for Nostalgia from Joann's. Then I just got this from Michael's. It is Holiday Romance. And then I have these Christmas watercolors, and they come in all of those patterns. So super cute. Paper Studio, a big, thick, chunky Christmas pad. This one is called My Mind's Eye, Yuletide. This one is one that I won, Joyful Christmas by Bo Bunny. And it's just, you would think Bo Bunny would be double-sided, but no. Journey to the North Pole. That would go with that other Advent kit. So there is that. And then I have this baggie, and it has a lot of papers, cut-aparts, a couple envelopes of die cuts, but mostly it is cut-aparts, as you can see, just miscellaneous papers and such, and a lot of cut-aparts. So I have this bag. And then I have K & Company, some Christmas ones here. I have the Tim Holtz Christmas Noel stickers and sentiments. I have the My Favorite Winter chipboard. And I must have got, no, these are not the same, but it says My Favorite Winter. Chipboard phrases and chipboard accents, that's what it is. So I have those pulled out. And then mostly I have embellishments, some twine, some more jimmies that will work for Christmas, some wreaths. These are 3 packs that I just recently picked up from Michael's of die cuts. But mostly I have stickers, dimensional stickers, and Winter Market, like frames and tags. These are from Dollar Store. Teresa Collins, Tinsel and Company. These are things that I find on clearance during the year, and then I just put them up. My Favorite Christmas ephemera. Winter Magic ephemera. Here comes Santa Claus ephemera. Hello Christmas ephemera. Some winter, My Favorite Winter ephemera. Warm and Cozy frames and tags. Snow Much Fun frames and tags. And then My Favorite Winter frames and tags. My Favorite Winter ephemera. Here are some Carta Bella puffy stickers. And this is just Creative Memories accent pack. It has all kinds of sentiments. I have some poinsettias. It have a big Christmas collection, and I just went into my stash and pulled out some things that I thought I would use. Here's some snowflakes. These are shape sprinkles from Doodlebug Design. Comfort and Joy, Winterberry, those are almost gone. Here is some little Christmas cups. My Mind's Eye Comfort and Joy Ephemera. My Mind's Eye Cozy Christmas ephemera. There's some Christmas trees. There is some more sentiments, some holly, some Tim Holtz Christmas rub-ons, Santa. My Mind's Eye Cozy Christmas Christmas tags. I should pull that out to use when I wrap presents. Here's some more ephemera from Cartabella. Deck the Holes. Cute stickers. I have some green and red doilies. Some gold stars. Some things that I got in sale at Hobby Lobby. This is Christmas Gnomes wood. I got some holiday lights. Merry Christmas, more holiday lights. I got some gingerbread men. Some of the red trucks with the tree. I got some big snowflakes there. I got a Echo Park stencil for winter. I have some wood shapes. Cozy Christmas brads. Here are some more holly leaves and berries. Some snowflakes. This one is from Comfort and Joy. It is mixed bag, so it's ephemera. Here is just some that I found in my planner stash that I thought I could use in this. Some snow globes. Winterberry by Mind's Eye. Some silver stars. I Love Winter by Lori Whitlock. Ephemera. Here is the Cabin Fever ephemera. Here is some Christmas rub-ons. I have some Christmas, what do you call them? Borders. That, I believe they're from K & Company. That I use. These are all from Little Birdie. I got them for like 50 cents. Handmade embellishments. I got 2 kinds of wreaths. I got some of the trucks. Some stockings. Some reindeer. Some sentiments. And some more sentiments. And here is just a cute little deer with sentiments. Some snowman. Some more snow globes. Oh, here's some Christmas balls. This is Echo Park Away in a Manger ephemera. This is from the dollar store. These dollar store, they say Mary on them. Here is just some foam Christmas trees. I got out my gold thread, and it has gone all over the place. I have some foam snowman. Couple more things. I have some pre-made tags that someone sent me. These are just winter and pinkish, you know, pastel-y Christmas. Some buttons with the little truck. A couple of Santa Clauses. Some Christmas hats. Some reindeers. Poinsettias. Stickabilities. And then here is the ephemera from Winter Market. Comfort and Joy cardstock buttons. Here's some ice skates. And then here's an envelope, and then some last stickers. And I think that's it. That is pretty much what I'm using to make Christmas cards this year. So, yeah, it's a big stack. But this is all my favorite things right now, and I'm going to use them up. So I have also pulled some little birdie pearl drops in the color Forest Isle. I've pulled Neewer drops in the color Red Berry. And I've got some glossy accents to use up here too. So, so that is basically what I'm using for making Christmas cards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be back soon doing a project share with some of these Christmas cards that I create. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.